Again, Ford, the sync system that they have, the new sync system, absolutely brilliant, dead easy to use, and does everything you want it to. So here we go. Make sure Bluetooth's on. I've switched Bluetooth on. We go to phone. No phone's paired, and we want add. Add again. The instructions on the bottom correspond to these 4 buttons here. Add is there. We had cancel over there.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So sync's come up already. We've got voice instructions there.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
261722. So yes, it does. So pair there and click yes on the buttons. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Pairing successful and connected on my phone.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
It's asking me if I want to download my phone book. I don't. I won't be using this again. So we'll just click no. There's no there and yes there. So that's that done.